All right, kid, here we are at the Holiday Inn, Chicago, Oakbrook, room 713. Let's take a tour. We will start off immediately to our left. We have the ironing board, 5 hangers, hair dryer. You will notice that we do have an in-room safe here in this one. This is an adjoining room. This room is, this whole hotel is an older hotel. You'll notice with the molding up at the top, but it's decent shape. Had some updates done to it. So let's go into the bathroom. Start there. So very white and bright, but you can see some cracks there in the wall, at least cosmetically. And then caulk could be redone. Bathtub, you see some nicks, a little bit more than a nick, and some extra stuff. The drain is all popped out, but it does have a slightly adjustable shower head. Looks like enough room here with the curved rod there, but sorry, I'm tired. It's late. This one is 2 queen rooms, or 2 queen beds. Over here on this side, we have a set of outlets. If we go here in the middle, we have another couple of outlets. And then if we go over onto the right side here, we have 2 sets of outlets, so 3 total over there, along with the light. Not a working desk. Just kind of a little table that you can sit at, with 2 queen beds and only this small table. It doesn't really make sense, but whatever. There are another set of outlets, 4 of them in total, with the Keurig, regular and decaf. If we take a look outside, you have not really a view of my. Yeah, you can take it back. You can see some buildings off there. With some lights, but mostly just the parking lot. You can see my car out there. So we do have here a microwave and a mini fridge. The mini fridge does not have a freezer. And then I will point out TV, decent picture, but very small. I'd say 27-inch probably. Something like that. So yeah, there you have it. The Holiday Inn, Chicago, Oakbrook. Until next time, Kim.